Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily install the Matplotlib Python library on Windows 10. So we'll be installing on Python 3.10. So to install any library on Windows 10 you need to have Python as well as pip. So we already installed it. So if you want to install the current Python version Python 3.10 as well as pip, refer the link in the description of this video. So guys, after installing, go to CMD, click on open. Herein you can see I'll type a command python -- version and press enter. We installed Python 3.10. You can also check it using python space -- version. Now let us check the pip version, py space -m space pip space -- version and press enter. Herein you can see we installed pip 21.2.4. So now guys, what we'll do, we will install our Matplotlib library which I told you before. For that use the same command py -m space pip space install space matplotlib and press enter. So we'll be installing on Python 3.10. Press enter. So the downloading of package started. It will install it after this. So herein you can see guys, the build failed for Matplotlib. Now guys, what we can do, I'll just close this and we will look for a new fix. Now guys, let us go to the following website. Herein you can see, I'll mention this link in the description. So this is a website that will provide you the packages for Python. Go to here in search Matplotlib. Here it is, click on it. Now herein you can see CP10, that means the versions for the wheel file. The error was shown for the wheel issue. So here is the WHL wheel file type for Python 3.10. You can see 64 means 64-bit and Win means Windows. I'll just click on it and download. This will allow us in installing Matplotlib on Python 3.10. Click on it. Now the download will start. It's only 7 MB. It will take few seconds. Let's wait. So guys, we have successfully installed it. Now right click and show in folder. Here it is. Now let us reach the following path on command prompt. Go to start, type cmd, click on open to open it. So herein you can see we have reached the following path till Amit _. Now just we need to go to downloads. For that I'll be using the cd command, that is change directory. Because we are changing the directory, cd downloads, press enter. We have reached here. Now we need to run the following. For that, for installing any library, we will use the py space -m space pip space install, and after that space we need to add matplotlib here, but we will add the following file complete name. So to get the complete exact name, I'll go to right click and properties. I'll go here and I'll just copy, right click, copy, go to CMD and I'll just right click. On right clicking you can verify that the file name is same, the extension is .whl, that is wheel type. Now I'll press enter, minimize this. Now you can see the installation of Matplotlib started. Let's wait for a few seconds. So guys, as you can see here, we successfully installed Matplotlib. Here is the version. Now let us print something. Py, I'll type py and press enter. Now let us print something. For that, first we need to import the Matplotlib because we successfully installed it. Press enter and there won't be any error, you can see. Now to get the version, we will type matplotlib __ version __. Now press enter and you can see 3.4.3. you can verify from here, 3.4.3 Matplotlib. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily install Matplotlib Python library on Python 3.10 Windows. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.